Hello guys, today we will solve this dice with only few steps. Uh, with the starting with this dice, I will take the green color at the top and there will be blue color at the bottom. So while starting, there will be some difficulties and there will be some repeated steps. We have to remember these. So while going to solve this cube, first we will fill the plus at the top of the cube. In this I have selected a green color at the top. So first we will fill the green color plus sign. We will match this corner and all together all corners, all these corners, and then we will fix all four corners with this green color. After fixing first layer, we will fix the second layer and then the third layer. In the third layer, first we will fix the plus sign here and then we will match the sides, these sides, all four, and then we will fix these corners. So after following my steps, I will be able to fix this cube. So while starting, let's break it first. I don't know where is the which color, so I just consider it as a starting of fixing this cube. Okay, now this is, so take the green at the top. This is my green at the top. So in this first I will make a plus. So just to find out white with green. Okay, we have one red and green, so take it at the bottom, move this like this. Now this is blue, green with red, so take this red just below the red, this, and just move it up like this. So now I made some mistake. Let's take it back and go to this green, this. Now move it up. So now you can see we have green at the top with matching red and green. Now white and green is already there, so no need to repeat this step. Let's go to the another color. So here we have yellow with green, so take it like this so that we can take it at bottom. So here we have yellow is matching, so take it up. So we are here with one line with green. We look at this green is already having matching with red, so this is correct at position. Let's find out another one. We want orange with green color, so just come to bottom. This is already there, so just move it up. So we are able to make plus with the correct matching of color. Now this was the first step, and next step is fixing the corners with this green color. So to fix corners, just look at the green color. So this is the useful for us. Look what is the opposite color of this green. This is red, so find out red here. Just move it here, just move it here. So this is matching now, so we need to take this green just one step another side, take this down, take it back. So this is again back. So now we have red matching, white is matching. Now we need to find out another green color. So we see one green color is here which is not matching, so we need to take this down. Just take it like that, move it here, take it up. Just find out where is the orange? Orange is here, so we need to take this one step backward, take it down, just take it back and take it up. So we have yellow with green and side is orange. Now we need to find out another green. So this green is here, so we need to take this green this side or this side, then only we can take this up at the up corner. Let's do it. So we need to just take it like that, just move it one position, take it back. So we have our green color, this is here. So we need to first find out white at this position. Just move it. We have white here, so we need to take this green to the backward side and just take this down, make this up, take this up. So we have this matching color. Now we have another green which is here, just we need to take it up. To take it up, we just came it here, just remove it and take it here up. So we have at this position. So whenever we have to fix the corner, we want green here or here. So here we have green and here we have red, so we need to find out red here. Just move it and find out red. So red is here, so this is matching, this is green. Just take this one step backward. After this, take this down, take this back and take this up. So by doing so, we have all first layer fixed. After fixing first layer, we have to work on the second layer. So to fix this second layer, we do not want blue here because blue is at the bottom, so blue color will be filled only at this position. So to fix this position, we are only interested in the blocks which do not contain blue color. So this is one of that which is useful for us. So to work on this, just bring this below red because this is red color. Just come it red. So here this is yellow, either here will be still yellow or here will be yellow. So here we have yellow. So to fix this, we need to take our cube just far from the yellow. So this is yellow and this is yellow, so we need to take far this side. Now we need to take it back, take it down and take it back. Now take it up. So now our green has broken from here, which is here. So as we have done in the previous steps, that this is matching, we need to take this one step for backward and then we have to take it down and we have to fix it. We have to fix it. This, take it up. So we have fixed it, broken part of the corner, and also we have fixed this part. Now we have to fix more corners. So we are only interested in which do not contain the blue color. So this is one of that. So now we need to take this red color just below the red. Yes, we are just below the red. Now we see at the bottom, this is white. The white will be either this side or white will be either this side. So we have to take this white color far from the white. So here it is white, so we need to take it far and we need to take it down, just one step back and one step up. By doing so, we see our green is broken again from the corner. So just as the previous step we have done to fix the corners, just this is matching red, just take one step back far from the matching, take it down, take it this, take it up again. So at this time you can see all reds are fixed here, or yellow also fixed here. Just we see one unmatching color. So we are again interested in in which is containing without the blue color. So here we see all are with blue. This is blue, this is again blue at the bottom, this is again blue, and this is again blue. So now we have to work on these colors. So just to block it, just take it down, just move it, take it up. Now we see our corner is broken, so we need to fix the corner. Just commit, we need to match orange and just to fix it, we want that to fix it, we also want this color should come down. So we also want to fix it, so just take it down also, just make it up. Now we have two broken color here, one this corner, so let's fix it first. So we have green here. Just to make the green up, we have to do like that. Just take it down, just move it, and just take it up. So we have this 2-3 corners broken, so take it up again. So we have this part here, we have 2 brokens here, so let's fix first it here. So take it just to white and take it again back, which is the same steps which we done already. So take it like that. This is fixed. Now we have fixed this corner. Now we have to fix this corner. So here we have this green is already matching with yellow, so take it one step forward far and take it up. By doing so, we are at the top. So if we see, the first layer is already fixed. Now we are interested in again this orange color, because we want something to fix these corners without the blue color. So take it with orange. There should be no yellow, so we have yellow here. Just to take it far from the yellow, this. So take it like this, take it up. We have this orange, so take it back little another side, take it this. So we have this position here. So we are again struggling to take this out. We want this here, we want this color here, because we have to fix this. We want here one block without the blue one, but all are having here blue, so we have to do another job here. So we have to again break it, and so this is like that. We are taking this up, now we have our this green here. This is yellow matching, so we have to take it little forward, a little far, and then we have to take it down. We have to fix it, and we have to take it up. So all first layer is already fixed. Now we are interested again in blue with in this corner without the blue color. Again we are facing the problem that we do not have blue color. Okay, let's again try. We need to take it like this, and this is like that. So we are having white here, so our this color is here, so this is here. Let's take it up. So now we have blue here, so our this color is now with us to use. So to repeat the steps, we have here orange here, white here. Just find out white here. This is repeated step. There is no need to be noted down it, but actually this is quite easy. Just we need to take this white near white, and we need to find out orange which is matching to this color. So here red, here it is orange. So to fix this step, we need to take it far from the orange. So this is red here. Now we need to take this down, we need to take it back, and then we need to take it back. So now we have green here, because this part is broken now. So we have green here, now white here. So we need to take this green far. So take it far, take it down, and take it up. This is so we can see that our first layer is fixed. We can see that our take the green at the top. We can see our first layer is already fixed, and now the second layer is also fixed. Now this is, so we have fixed the two layers. Now we have fixed the two layers. Now when we are on the top, if we see the bottom, there is a blue. So in the blue, we have to make first this straight line, and then we have to make it as a plus. So our straight line is already there. If there is no straight line, the steps are same. You just need to walk on the cube. So now because we already have plus, just try to match the sides, so that in future it will help us to fix quickly. Okay, just orange to orange. So we have orange matching, we have line, and here we do not have matching, no problem. Okay, so fix to make plus on the top. Just we are making the plus on the top. At this time we are not matching this color, just we are making the plus on the top. To make the plus on the top, just keep the cube in this direction. So plus should be like this. So steps are these. So we need to keep the cube like this. So steps are these. Just move this one step this side, and one step this side. Now take this back, and take this side. So we see that the rest two layers are already correct, there is no problem. And we see at the top there is a plus sign created. Now plus sign is created. Now we need to look whether these colors are matching or not matching. This is matching, this is matching, this is already matching. If this color is not matching, if this color is already matching, if this color is not matching, then steps are the same, but here one step is missing, which I should explain to help you to solve out that situation. The situation is that when we have only one color matching, here rest of the colors are not matching. So I am just again moving the cube steps. I'm creating more steps so that I break these colors. Just pick the blue at the top and just move it like that. This one. Now this is back, and this is back. So I see this is broken, so I want to break it again. My already fixed cube. Do this like this. I'm sorry, I just missed this step. Do like this, this, and oh, I missed some step. Mm, okay, yeah, I am on the right position of this. I'm just breaking the cube. So this is this, this is this. Now take it back, this, and this. So I am at the position when my cube is having the plus, so let's try to break the colors. Okay, let's try it again. This, 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 this I have broken it. Yeah, so here are now I have plus, but again, yes, now I am in the situation. Now I am in the situation when my this color is matching, but these two colors are not matching. This color is matching, but this color and this color is not matching. Yes, this is the situation. So if you do not get this situation when two colors are matching, sometimes a situation comes when this colors match and this colors match. So the steps are same. You just need to pick the color, cube in this direction, take this matching color at the back side, take this color matching in the left hand side, and follow these steps. One step up, two steps, one step down, one back, one up, one back, and one down. Just scroll it. Now you can see all four colors are matching. You can see it. All four colors are matching. Now we see that one corner is already matching because we already fixed the plus. We have matched these colors. Now we see that this corner is already matching. There could be a case when no corner is matching. So in that situations, the steps are same. You just need to focus that this fixed corner should be in the right side, and you need to start with this color. Okay, just follow these steps. One up, one this side, one up, one back side, one down side, this side, and this side. You see your matching color is there, but it has some changes. We do not know at present what is the changes. Just repeat this step once again. This, 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 and this. Now you see two sides are matching. One side and this side. Two sides are matching. You see this side is matching and this side is matching. So to solve this, just pick a cube like this. The fixed sides are this side. One fixed side we have, one fixed side we have. We always keep the fixed side here. Now what we will do one step, which what this step will do, this step will take this side. This fixed will come this side, and then we will do the same repeat steps. Both side fixed side will be here. So this is the step. Just pick cube like this, have a fixed side here, a left hand side, and just do this. This is up, two steps back, one down, one back, one up, one back, and one down. The same step, not exactly the same, but in the same way, but little change. Please note the difference. This is up, two side, down. This is not again back. This side, up, this side down. You see we have one fixed here, but here this is broken, so we do not need to worry. We just need to follow this step again. This will fix the cube. This is up, two sides, down, back, up, back and down. Just repeat this step here. Up, two steps, down, one step, up, one step, down. You see we have this side fixed, but this side is not fixed. Just repeat the we see that two sides are fixed. This side is fixed, this side is fixed, this side is fixed. Now in this situation, because we have one complete side fixed, so we need to keep the fixed side in the left hand side and the not fixed side in the right hand side and do the same steps. This will fix the cube. This up, two sides, two times, one side back, one side back, one side up, one side back, one side back and down. Do it again here. This is up, two sides, down, up, down. So this is not fixed already, so repeat this step once again. This will fix the cube. Up, two sides, down, once, up, down. Repeat this again here. This, see the cube is fixed. So we have done this job. Your job is done. So first we make plus here, we fix the corners, then we fix this part, then we made a plus here, then we match this corner, these sides, then we fix the corners. This is job done. Thank you very much.